The research sector complements the whole framework by providing relevant technologies and information to sustain the ecosystem's research and development service functions as the research arm of the DNR in Region 9.
The aim of DNR9, as emphasized by Red A.J. Adorable, is to assist and provide the stakeholders the necessary technologies to advance their economic activities, as well as guide the decision makers in making well-informed and scientifically guided decisions, particularly on the conservation and management of the environment.
Enhance productivity and properly manage our natural resources and the environment as a whole.
Ang ginagawa ng ERDS ay base sa mga problemang pangkalikasan na kinakaharap natin ngayon, gaya ng pagbabago ng klima, pagkakawala ng samot-saring buhay o ng biodiversity, soil erosion, and destruction of our coastal environment, among others.
Climate change, mga hirap na dulot ng basura, erosion at masamang epektong dulot sa tao, hayop, lupa, at sa katubigan.
This is within the 5-point agenda of the present administration, especially on the good governance advocacy. ERDD plans, executes and manages research and development projects.
Primarily aims to formulate and implement research development activities.
It also establishes linkages with research institutions and other agencies, both in the government and the private sector.
We also prioritize our regional agenda based on the needs of the region and other sectors of the department. The Regional Development Council priority areas is also being included.
It produces data bank of scientific information and readily available technologies.
We are implementing right now preparation of database for our Bahimbo in the region.
Beyond the realm of regular office works, ERDD researchers are fielded to undertake these research projects.
This would establish mechanisms for the conservation, preservation of wild and domesticated varieties of forestry with special consideration to endangered and threatened species.
The aim of this project to mass produce seedlings using macro technique or vegetative propagation through non-mist or misting system. The project aims to assess and update the invasive alien species in the protected areas in Region 9.
This study entails main activities of germplasm collections, seed productions, and seed banking.
This project aimed to fill the need for adequate data and information on commercial bamboo such as Kawen Phoenix, Giant Bamboo, Bolo, and Buho using global positioning system. This project entails the establishment of forestry seed centers and regional seed banks. This project shall serve as sources of quality planting materials for provenance and progeny trials, tree domestication, tree breeding, conservation, and other forestation activities. The objective of the study is to estimate the carbon sequestration rates and carbon density of forest plantation species in Region 9.
One of the projects that we are implementing now in the region is the impact of climate change on the extent of flooding and water resources of the two watersheds in Salom Valley.
The facility serves as the regional center for the production, storage, and disposition of quality planting materials of indigenous and premium forest trees.
Now, why was material recovery facility was emphasized? Because in relation to waste management, beyond the material MRF facility, it is a very good concept that has a promising positive impact on people's behavior.
In support to the National Greening Program of President Pinoy, the quality of planting materials is highly being regarded. The assessment of the biophysical characteristic of the area and its component is presently being conducted jointly by Penro Zamboanga del Sur and Central Pagadian City.
Primary objective of establishing this is to have a show window of environment and natural resources technology. This demonstration foundation model will also be the source of quality planting staff for reforestation in the region.
The task and responsibility of the Technology Transfer Division is geared towards the transfer and commercialization of environment and natural resources projects. Ginagawa natin ng paraan para mapaabot sa mas malawak na sambayanan ng mga kaalamang kaaya-aya sa ating kalikasan at nakakapagbigay pa ng hanap buhay sa mga mamamayan natin.
One of the functions of Technology Transfer Division is to document research activities of the ERDS, writing them into publishable articles. Another is to document and package all completed studies into publication.
The Technology Transfer Division produces publication materials on matured and completed research works to convey information to the public and impart technical skills to beneficiaries and investors who are interested to implement these technologies. TTD counterparts by translating the sector's research efforts and scientific outputs into information, education, and campaign materials in the form of news publications, flyers and fact sheets, research digest, media releases, visuals, and video productions. Fora and exhibits are also sponsored in order to reach a greater number of the population at various levels. Our mini library in the office makes available all these materials, including other research resources and references. As need arises, the two divisions likewise join efforts to impart technical skills through trainings which are conducted to any interested individuals and entities willing to embark on ENR-related technology projects. It is our hope that this production will be able to impart public awareness on ENR technologies and enlighten the viewers of the functions and undertakings of ERDS as a research arm of DANR 9.
It is with humility that we extend efforts towards the attainment of this goal, as well as the mission, vision, and mandate of the department tungo sa isang matuwid at makalikasang tandaan.
May mga programang pasok sa ating suliranin sa environment. Nagbibigay kami ng tamang kaalaman sa pangangalaga ng ating paligid. Ako at ang buong TTD production staff ay nagbubunyi ng mabuhay!
ERDS! DNR! Mabuhay!